No, I just get ready to say, whoever's holding that camera, I just love her so much. I even love the way she laughs.
Oh my God.
Just now. Damn.
You cracking me up. You cracking me up.
Just flip. Just love, 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 love.
You cracking me up is what you doing.
We're up and we at them at 12. It's getting rough. Yes, it is. Listen, I did go to bed. Oh my gosh. It was still probably after 4 o'clock. I don't know. I don't even know. I was just making moves. So let's go and check out what the progress is like today in the kitchen. Mike was putting up the shelves. Well, he said he was going to be putting up the shelves this morning. I've been hearing the drill. Let's see. Don't play. I might be in work mode and looking kind of rough, but guess what? I'm smelling great with Michael Kors Wanderlust. Yeah, baby. Yes, I've been loving this one so much. Copy one, link below. Sneak peek. Okay, we are on our way. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Again and again. Again. Who is that?
Old man with glasses on.
Okay, what we got? The grand finale.
And one thing I do know how to do is cut wood.
Wood chuck, and a wood chuck.
Perfect.
Perfection. Check her out. Woo, child. I'm gonna be back to y'all in a minute, okay? My baby.
That baby is hot right now.
He always hot. All right, babies, look at it. A masterpiece is completed. My husband is amazing. And yes, I hung my old pictures back up on the wall. Maddie was fussing at me because she was like, Mama, why are you gonna put that? Get you some more stuff. Like, she ain't in my bank account, is she? We ain't gonna roll like that. If I just so happen to see something I want to replace, then I'll do that. But other than that, we're gonna fit it in right here. But y'all, this is what it is about right now. Today's featured DIY piece are these beautiful shelves. And now I gotta go shopping, right? Because guess what? I need something to put up there. What can y'all recommend to me that's nice? I really want something silver, you know, something that'll kind of pop up there. Give me some ideas. Oh yeah. And right now, since I finished stating those, got my little men wax out, my wood finish, number 225 red mahogany. I think they've changed the name of this. I've had this one for so long, but I think they've changed the name to something else. Let me get that off there because it's gonna sink right through. But anywho, I think it's another name. I don't know what it is. My battery's getting ready to die, but I just wanted to show y'all I did not paint underneath the cabinets right now. Let me see if I can put you under here. I just stained it to make it a little bit darker because it was a little brown at first, so a light brown. So that's it. But I'm gonna change my battery out and I will see y'all when I see ya. I think I might be finished today. If I am not, I will pop back in and let y'all see what's happening. But right about now, this was the finale. The handle's done, the case, the shelves are up, and I mean just immaculate 2-inch wood there. Beautiful. I'll see y'all in a minute. Let me finish staining. Look at them hands. Look at them hands. Meant for working, baby. I'll see y'all in a little while. Take care.
Now go get my cutter. Cut this through and then pick it on down. And we'll be done.
So I'm not sure if y'all was looking at the mess in the background. If you didn't see it.
The wood there, I got. Let me get it.
If you didn't see it.
No.
If you didn't see it earlier, I showed y'all a big mess, well, yesterday. And now we've cleaned all that out, taken the bar area down, and I'm getting ready to do, I'm gonna work my magic over here. Yeah, I'm gonna work my magic in this little area right here. It don't take us long, baby. We knocking it out. We're knocking it out. I know y'all are like, good Lord, girl, what you got going on back there? So, anywho, we're gonna show y'all what we're gonna do over here, Yes, indeed. Just like that. And then, bada bing, bada boom. Welcome to my cooking show. Just kidding, beautiful babes. You know what? In the process of home renovations, you still have to eat, right? And Mike was talking about cooking in the kitchen, me cooking in the kitchen. Okay, I'm doing what I do. We got us some kind of chicken. It might be jerk chicken. It might be, I don't know, cayenne pepper chicken. But it's some chicken, and we finna eat. And I'm gonna show y'all the rest of what I've done since I've been away from y'all a long time, a few hours or more. But anyway, let me put this in the oven. That looks good.
Ghetto. Hi, vlog. I'm Madeline, in case you forgot.
Anywho, oh, maybe this is a better angle right here. Yeah, like that, so y'all can kind of see all of what he do. Gotta finish painting up there, and he's ripped out the little bar area. Well, he ripped out the bar, and I've been caulking and all of that stuff, getting ready to finish up painting once all of that dries. But I cannot share the surprise with y'all. And Maddie, y'all go subscribe to her channel, y'all. Go over there for all those hot potatoes, and you'll also find her post on my community on Beauty by Sweet Angel, y'all. Maddie's Glam Life. I want y'all to check that out for one big reason. I'm shouting her out because this video is sponsored by Maddie, because she's buying my island. Woo! Yay! I'm super excited, y'all. It's gonna be so nice. And honey, you are going to just fall on the floor when you see what I got coming over in this space. All right, y'all stay tuned. See ya.